Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video is coming at you from Khartoum, Sudan. I'm currently at Darkroom Productions. This is a production house that's owned by one of my good friends. We're trying to get into fashion photography, creating avenues for models, for fashion designers, creatives like myself, stylists like myself, and photographers to really uplift the scene, because there really are not a lot of fashion photographers in Sudan, from my knowledge. If there are, please correct me. If you are one, please get in touch with me. The whole point of this is a behind the scenes look at the photo shoot that we're about to do. So the photo shoot is going to be taking place in this room. We're using this black background.
Hi, my name is Malaz Adam. I'm having a photo shoot today. It's with the beautiful and the marvelous Hadi Osman. She's so great.
Aww, thank you.
Can you see my outfit?
This is the first outfit.
Yeah.
We're gonna show them
so
better.
Good. I love it.
I love your makeup also. We just did this. We are now about to shoot look number 2. Getting the lotioning on. We're playing with ropes, and just to add some texture, some interest, that you can basically make anything an accessory, and that's the whole point of this. She was wearing this as a top, and now it's a dress.
So it looks like it's a part of the dress now.
Exactly. This is really popular nowadays. You want the jewelry you wear over your clothes, and we'll see how it looks.
You see how it looks. So photographer, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. Nice. With the beat. جدا.
Ah, nice.
Nice.